but I'm honestly shocked. Is this what they serve business class passengers on this flight? My aircraft today to Jeju Island in South Korea. What's up, travelers? From Seoul Gimpo Airport, where I am about to board this incredibly stunning aircraft, Korean Air's 747-400 to Jeju. And what's so cool is that, okay, it's Wednesday today. I had class this morning. I have class tomorrow morning. All my classmates are probably doing their readings right now, but I'm here at the airport about to fly this aircraft on a direct turn. So I'm flying straight to Jeju on it in business class, and I got an amazing redemption through Delta to fly this baby. Then I'm going right back on the same aircraft. So I literally exit and go back on in economy so I can get an awesome wind view. I'm hoping the sunset will be nice, all those types of things. So I get 2 cool videos flying this amazing aircraft. And I'm like, hello, I can't live in Korea in 2018 without flying Korean Airlines' 747 before they phase it out. So let's see what the experience is like. First, I'm going on the upper deck of the 747, and it's my first time flying there. So I'm very, very excited to see what it is like. So come with me, you guys. Can't wait to share it with you. This is so amazing. Look at all the room you have here. It just feels so spacious up here. So first impressions, amazing seat for such a short flight. The recline is about the same as you'll see in my AirAsia review. So yes, not fully lie flat, but still great, especially for a flight this short. We'll see about the service, but there's very dramatic, nice boarding music, and yeah, I'm very happy to be here. It feels even cooler than I expected to be on the top floor of this aircraft. It's a totally different feeling from the A380. So actually, almost all of boarding, they've been playing ABBA, which is completely awesome. And I found these 2 postcards in my seat back pocket thing. And I figured, how fun would it be if I sent these to 2 of you guys? So what you need to do if you want me to send a card is follow me on Instagram. The link will be at the top below in the description. Just follow me, that's all you need to do. And I'll send you a personal handwritten card and a gift from a surprise I have coming up. I can't tell you what it is, but I've been working on it for months, and in a few weeks, you guys will know what it is. So if you follow me on Instagram, you could win and be one of the first to get to enjoy the surprise I have coming up and a card. So welcome to the historic upper deck of the Korean Airlines 747. We have some storage, power port, and even USB charging on this side with our in-flight remote for the entertainment system, which is quite a regular screen, which is funny. And then we have our storage down here and all the storage we could wish for on the side. It's literally insane. You could put your entire carry-on bag right down there. Not much to see really. There's a light here, a little privacy partition. Whoa, I don't know why they even bothered with that. And then the tray table comes out here. You know what, let's just recline it while we're on the ground, because we might not have time in the air, you never know. So I just set it to bed mode right now. And let's check this out. Alright, so this is how flat the seat goes. So are you guys ready for the big reveal of the in-flight service on this flight? Ta-da! Green tea in a paper cup. Hey, what's up travelers? At this point in the video I had a little rant and I just figured instead of showing that, I want to tell you my thoughts of the flight here and give you a more reasoned explanation for how I feel about this. There are two main reasons I'm like this. The first is the few things make me more happy than when I get a DM or a tweet or something from you guys saying that you took my advice and you booked a flight, or firstly that I inspired you to travel and find ways to do it more comfortably in luxury and business class, things like that. And if you take my recommendations and actually take the flights that I had a great experience on, and then you tweet me saying that, thank you so much, this flight literally made my honeymoon amazing, or this flight was a dream come true, I had such an amazing experience. Those types of things make me so happy, you can't even imagine. The second reason I do this is for the airlines. Now, hopefully, someone at these airlines is watching my video and they can see it as constructive criticism. I try to point out smaller issues that I find across the flight experience so that hopefully the airline can learn from that and maybe make small steps to improve it. This brings me to this Korean Air flight, and as you saw, all we were served on this flight, it's a 1-hour flight and it cost almost every day $242 one way in business class. Sure, the seat is good, but being served just one beverage, I got cold green tea in a paper cup, is just so disappointing. So just as a comparison, I'm gonna put some photos here of flights I've taken that are less than 1 hour in business class or economy, putting the airline down here as well so you can see what I was served meal-wise on some of these better airlines. Okay, I honestly take back any complaint I've had about European business class. I'm sorry for saying that, it's not deserved. Alright, so I made it to Jeju, where it is insanely loud at this airport. First of all, I just gotta say, I am so frustrated because I forgot my GoPro on the last flight. Now, I don't know if it's good or bad, we'll have to see when I get on board that I'm going straight back. Maybe it's still on the plane, which would be amazing if the crew doesn't do anything with it. If they hand it someone here in Jeju, that's a bigger problem, and we'll have to see how I solve that, especially since a lot of stuff is quite complicated here. But yeah, hopefully the crew keeps it on board, takes it back to Seoul, and I can just ask them and it works out. But basically, what did I think about my Korean Air flight? I am shocked. Who would have thought that they would, I feel cheated, you know. I paid with miles and a bit of taxes, but they charge like $300 for that one-way ticket. Can you imagine all you get for $300 is a paper glass of green tea is what I ordered? Even in Europe, like you fly SAS on a 25-minute flight from Gothenburg to Copenhagen and you get drinks like that. So what is the distinction? I don't get it, and I'm so disappointed in Korean Air. Like, I won't say this is my worst business class flight ever, just because I had I didn't have any bad experience, you know, nothing bad happened, but it's definitely my most disappointing business class flight ever. So I definitely, the first time I'm saying I strongly advise you against flying Korean Air in business class unless you're in it for the seat. Otherwise, on domestic flights, it's a no-go. In any case, I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry about my rant. I'm almost at the gate now, so as we board to go back to Seoul, let's see if my GoPro is on board. That will be exciting. Thanks so much as always. Please subscribe for much more like this, much more positive reviews hopefully, and until I see you all next time, fly safe.